Here I am at Weird and Wonderful Wood, Hawley Park, storytelling as usual. This little festival has been going for 30 years. It started up in Thornham with just a few stalls, and now it's huge. It's got stalls from all over the county. The wonderful craftsmen of East Anglia, the musicians and entertainers. It is a legacy from the fairs. But it's something where the general public can meet alternative East Anglia and the wonderful craftsmen here.